Hello, guys! It's been a while. It's me again, Teacher Kath. And right now, I'm officially an ESL teacher and I am working with GLADS. Okay, so I'll take you, I'll take you to the process kung paano maging part ng GLADS because it's really, really, really a great opportunity for newbies. Okay, so. Ngayon, 1 month na ako. 1 month na ako sa kanila and all I can say is it's really, really good there. And this is really an amazing opportunity for newbies, especially. So let's go. Okay, so guys, casual lang tayo dito while I'm sharing information about class. Alright, first to know about it, ang students niya ay Japanese. Okay? And all I can say is sobrang babait nila. Like, mostly nang may encounter mo talaga mabait. And ang range niya is from kids to adults. So, lahat ng age may encounter mo dito. Walang pinipili. Pero don't worry, ang materials ay provided lahat and all you will do is aralin yun. And although aaralin mo siya ng sarili mo, may training naman din para dun. Okay? So, ayun. Japanese students, age kids to adults, like seniors. You will meet seniors. Okay? Senior citizens. So, ayun. And about salary or rate, ang rate niya is 60 per student, 60 pesos per student or 120 per hour. Okay? And about requirements, all right, let's talk about it. Let me share my screen requirements. Bale, this requirement that I'll be talking about. As in, super friendly ni Glats. Hindi mabigat yung requirements niya. Okay, so kung mag-apply kayo, go to this website. Okay, this website. I'll put the link on the description. And meron siyang dalawang choice. Full-time sa office-based. Ang kanilang office ay nasa Cebu. Okay? So, dito tayo sa work from home. Alright? This one, work from home. Per lesson siya, yung kanyang sweldo, like I said, 60 pesos per student. With fixed schedule. Alright? With fixed schedule. Although, fixed yung schedule mo, like me, ang schedule ko dito is, yung fixed ko na schedule ay 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. And although may fixed na schedule, may choice pa rin naman ako kung mag-open ako ng morning, ng hapon, ganun. Kumbaga, ano siya, para siyang mixed. Para siyang mixed na flexible and fixed schedule. Kasi pwede ka naman din mag-open ng ibang slot. Basta, automatically, open yung fixed na schedule mo. Alright? Click apply now. Tas ito. This will be your overall requirements. As in, dapat ma-check mo to lahat or at least five. 3, 4, 5. At least five or lahat ma-check mo. For this one, nung nag-apply ako, ito yung chinekan ko. Tapos, kailangan mo ng Wise account. Don't worry, kung wala ka pang Wise account, tutulungan ka nila mag-set up. And then, pagka-click mo dyan ng next, fill upan mo lang yan. Fill upan mo yan, and then, mariredirect ka. Parang meron ditong mini test. Mini test. And madali lang siya. Maiipasa nyo yun. And if ever di nyo maipasa in one try, pwede kayo mag-try ulit. That's what's so amazing about CLATS. Okay? And, ayun, after nyo yun matapos, may ma-receive kayong email. Okay? Let me just stop sharing and open ko lang yung email ko. May ma-receive kayong email sa kanila to confirm your application. Let me see. CLATS. Mhm. Super, super newbie friendly niya, guys. Recruitment. Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay, guys. Okay, let's see. Here. Alright. Yan, may ma-receive kayo na ganyan. Ayan, you have passed. Tapos, magsasend sila ng, ayan, ng date and time para sa first orientation nyo. Okay? So, magkakaroon kayo dito ng 1 week. 1 week. Mag-aalat kayo ng 1 week time. First is yung first orientation. Then, meron pang second orientation. And then, second orientation. Tapos, sa third orientation nyo is, dun nyo malalaman if makakapag-demo ba kayo kinabukasan. Ayun, demo. Wala siyang interview. Di ako na-interview, demo lang. Ayun, and yung demo, galingan nyo lang. It only lasts for 5 to 10 minutes. So, kayang-kaya nyo yun. Ayun. So, after all your orientations, mag-email uli sila kung nakapasa kayo. Ganon, kung magpo-proceed pa kayo sa process. Guys, ang kailangan nyo lang talaga dito is time and patience. Kasi 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours din lagi yung kanilang orientations. So, hindi mabigat yung requirements, pero kailangan mo talagang mag-allot ng oras dito. And ang orientation niya is umaga, mostly. From 9 a.m. ganon. So, yeah. Super, super. All I can say is super friendly niya sa newbies. That's why I'm here and 1 month na ako kay Glatz. And I'm super happy kasi, ayun nga, sa dami ng rejections ko, since ako ay nag-apply, sobrang daming rejections. Mga 10 above, if I'm not mistaken. Nag-apply ako sa mga 10 plus na ESL companies. Tapos hindi ako natanggap. And then, boom! Nag-apply ako kay Glatz. And natanggap ako sa kanya. And super happy ako kasi nga respectful ang mga students. And parang madali lang aralin yung materials. Ganun. So, yeah. It's really, really good here. And also, once na matanggap kayo kay Glats, magkakaroon kayo ng sarili nyong nickname or screen name. Kumbaga, me, for example, I go here by Teacher Cat, but with Glats, iba yung name ko. Kumbaga, walang mag-overlap na identities. Kung sino ka, yun lang. Like for example, isa-search ko yung name ni teacher ganito. Siya lang yung may name na ganun. So, hindi ka mahihirapan maghanap kung sino yung hinahanap mo na names. Kasi, unique yung names kada teachers. Ayun, yun lang. Ano pa ba? Mhm. Lahat ng kailangan yung malaman nasa orientation. And, naman ako ibang share dito, kundi, ayun lang, kung newbie ka, kung newbie ka, I encourage you to apply with GLATS. Kasi yung rate na 120 per hour, it's not bad. It's not bad. As bilang isang newbie, you know. So, yeah, easy. The process is easy compared sa iba kong mga na-try. Like, yan. You can watch my previous videos. Ganun. Um, it's easier to apply. However, it takes longer time, because of the orientations. You need time and patience. And the demo is easy. Only 5 to 10 minutes. The students are respectful. Mm-hmm. Japanese students, very respectful. And yung training, kapag nakapasa ka sa demo, training ka na. Iti-train ka nila, i-introduce nila sa'yo yung dashboard, kung paano gamitin yung site ni Glats, ganun. And also pala, important advice for me is during my first week with Glatz is para bang hindi ka mabibigla sa dami ng students kasi medyo konti pa lang yung magbubook sa'yo since bago ka lang. And that's normal. Okay? Kasi nung first week ko parang nanghinay ako. Sabi ko, oh, ba't parang kaunti yung students ganun? Pero I realized na dahil hindi ako nabigla, hindi ako nabigla sa dami niya. Parang nasanay ako paunti-unti. And right now, ang masasabi ko is, kung kung teacher ka na, kung isa kang teacher na marunong talaga magturo, ganun. Kasi nakikita nila yung profile mo 'di ba? We teachers, we have our profile para makita ng mga students natin, ganun. Kung makikita nila na yung comment ng past students mo, kung makikita nila na maganda ka magturo, maayos ka magturo sa classroom, madami magbubook sa'yo, bes. Like, ikaw na lang talaga yung magsasawa. Depende sa open mong slots kada araw. Okay, based on my experience, naka-experience ako ng 20 plus students in one day since bakasyon parang palang naman ngayon. And yes, I'm a student. So, bakasyon namin and nag-open ako ng maraming slots ngayon. So, na-experience ako maka 20 plus na students sa isang araw. Grabe. Pagod, pero paldo. Ayun. So, since magpapasok ka na, since magpapasok ka na, siguro ang ma-open ko na lang is yung fixed schedule ko na 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. So, yun guys, that's all I want to share about Glatz. Okay, so if you're a newbie, I encourage you to try Glatz. So, yes, bye-bye. Bye guys. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment it down below. All right? I will answer it all. Bye, guys.